By the year 2055, the world as we knew it has vanished. The rising sea levels have claimed our coastal cities, leaving humanity in a desperate struggle. As the land shrinks under the weight of the ocean, a new crisis emerges. We are running out of space to live, to breathe, and call home. We do not run from the rising tides. Instead, we choose to adapt. We are diving deep into the final frontier, the mysterious and vast Abyssal Zone. In this realm of eternal darkness, life has always found a way. Now it is our turn to join the silent dance of the deep sea creatures. Behold the blueprint of our future survival. Oceania-One is more than a city. It is a masterpiece of engineering designed to conquer the second blue planet. Every detail of this megacity is crafted for resilience. We are building a sanctuary where millions can live safely beneath thousands of tons of heavy ocean water. Advanced survey robots lead the way, mapping the jagged terrain of the deep. They are the pioneers of the abyss, preparing the ground for our arrival. They search for the perfect foundation among the mud and stone. Every inch of this valley is measured with precision to ensure our city remains stable. Welcome to the dawn of the oceanic colonization era. A new chapter of human history begins here, in the cold, silent depths of the great deep. Energy is the lifeblood of our city. Without the sun, we must look inward to the planet's core to power our massive underwater home and systems. These Magma-Extractor robots are built from heavy-duty titanium alloys. They brave extreme heat and pressure to tap into the raw power of the Earth's mantle. The contrast is breathtaking. Molten lava meets freezing water, creating a violent reaction that we have successfully learned to harness for our very own survival. Through these vents, we capture geothermal energy. This endless heat provides a constant, reliable power source that far exceeds anything we ever had on land. A fleet of these giants works tirelessly day and night. They are the silent sentinels, providing the warmth and electricity needed for a city of millions. Our scientists developed closed-cycle liquid turbines. This sophisticated process converts thermal energy into pure electricity, with nearly zero loss in the cold deep sea. Every rotation of these turbines brings life to Oceania-One. It is a marvel of thermodynamics, operating perfectly under the crushing weight of the entire ocean. This energy travels through massive armored cables. Like glowing veins, they transport the power necessary to keep our lights on and our air clean and breathable. The central hub processes the raw electricity. From here, it is distributed to every dome, hospital, and home, ensuring that the city never faces a blackout. The power output is staggering. One single volcanic fissure can sustain an entire district, proving that the Earth's core is the ultimate green energy solution. To ensure stability, we use large-scale graphene storage systems. These batteries can hold enough charge to power the entire megacity for weeks if needed. Graphene is the miracle material of our age. Its ability to store massive amounts of energy in a compact space makes this underwater life possible. Maintenance is handled by specialized AI. They monitor every cell, ensuring that the flow of power remains constant and the city's heart continues to beat. As the grid reaches full capacity, the seafloor transforms. The darkness is pushed back by the brilliance of human ingenuity and our mastery of geothermal power. We have tamed the heat of the Earth. In this cold and hostile environment, we have created a warm and glowing haven for all of humanity. Building at 4,000 meters deep requires new methods. We do not use cranes or concrete. We use the revolutionary power of molecular 3D printing. These Nano-Builders work in perfect synchronization. They weave layers of carbon-silicate into structures that are lighter than steel, but 10 times stronger than any concrete. The material hardens instantly upon the contact with the cold seawater. This allows us to build complex geometric shapes that would be impossible on the surface. 1,000 robots can complete a single living dome in just a few days. It is an industrial ballet of precision and speed beneath the waves. Every centimeter of the dome is calculated to withstand the immense pressure. This structure becomes a shield, protecting us from the weight of the entire ocean. These robots are designed for the most extreme environments. They are the tireless workers of Oceania-One, building our future brick by molecular brick. At the molecular level, the walls are a masterpiece. A hexagonal lattice structure ensures that stress is distributed evenly across the entire surface of the dome. The material is even capable of self-repair. If a crack occurs, the structure uses ambient energy to trigger a chemical reaction that heals the breach instantly. These geodesic domes are the building blocks of our city. Connected by high-strength tunnels, they form a vast network of habitable space on the seabed. The glass is not glass at all, but a transparent ceramic composite. It offers a crystal-clear view of the ocean, while remaining completely indestructible. Inside the domes, the work continues. Modular buildings for schools, hospitals, and homes are printed in place, customized for the needs of our new society. These living spaces are comfortable and modern. They provide a sense of normalcy and peace, far removed from the chaos of the flooded surface world. Artificial light simulates the rhythm of day and night. We have recreated the warmth of the sun to maintain the mental well-being of our citizens. This is a world built from the ground up. It is a testament to human will, proving that we can thrive even in the most hostile places. Every centimeter of these walls provides safety and hope. For the next generation, this is not just a base. It is their beloved and secure home. Our architecture is as beautiful as it is functional. We have designed a city that inspires awe, a symbol of our victory over the deep abyss. The construction of Oceania-One is the largest project in history. It is a global effort to ensure that the human flame never goes out. With the final panel in place, the structure is complete. We have built a fortress under the sea, ready to face the challenges of the future. The molecular age has arrived. From the darkness of the abyss, we have raised a shining beacon of light and life for all of mankind. To live, we must breathe. Our blue lung systems use advanced electrolysis to extract life-giving oxygen directly from the very seawater that surrounds our city. The oxygen is purified and stored in these massive chambers. It is then mixed with nitrogen to create a perfect atmosphere for every living dome. The air we breathe is cleaner than any city on the surface. We have eliminated pollution, creating a pristine environment for our children to grow up. Sensors monitor every breath we take. In Oceania-One, the safety of our atmosphere is guaranteed by a network of AI-driven life support systems. Water is also recycled and desalinated with extreme efficiency. Every drop is precious, and our closed-loop system ensures that nothing is ever wasted. Food is grown in vertical hydroponic gardens. Using specialized neon grow lights, we produce fresh vegetables and fruits in the heart of the deep ocean. This is agriculture without soil. Our plants grow faster and healthier, providing all the nutrients needed for a balanced and sustainable diet. Algae farms are the backbone of our nutrition. These superfoods are rich in protein and vitamins, and they also help to scrub CO2 from the air. Every square inch of our gardens is optimized for production. We have turned biological processes into a high-tech art form for our survival. Protein comes from our sustainable fish farms. These enclosed ecosystems provide a constant supply of seafood without affecting the wild populations in the ocean. The cycle of life is complete here. We have created a self-sustaining world that provides everything we need to live a long and healthy life. Beyond fish, we also produce lab-grown meat. This technology ensures that we have a variety of food options without the need for traditional farming land. Shopping in Oceania-One is a glimpse into a zero-waste future.
Look at the quality.
Everything
of
is
this
produced
harvest.
locally, reducing our
Beautiful.
carbon
I'll
footprint
get these for
to
the
almost
stew
nothing
tonight.
at all. The taste of home has followed us to the
Salad
deep.
is incredible,
Our
isn't it?
meals are a celebration of
fresh.
human
I'm glad we
resilience
tried the
and the
hydroponic
abundance of our new
delivery service.
oceanic garden. A city without waste is no longer a dream. Our circular economy ensures that every resource is reused, making us independent from the surface world. Nothing is thrown away. Even the smallest piece of plastic or metal is processed and turned back into raw material for our 3D printers. We have brought the beauty of nature with us. These green spaces are vital for our spirit, reminding us of the world we once knew. Life blooms in the abyss. We have turned a dark and hostile desert into a vibrant and lush oasis of hope and sustainable living. The lights of our farms are a beacon in the dark. They signal the success of our mission to create a permanent home under the sea.
It's incredible out here.
Oceania-One is now a living, breathing reality. Walking
Look at
between the
size of
domes,
that manta ray.
one can truly feel the
Magnificent.
scale of
never
this
seen anything like
magnificent
it. The water
underwater
is so
metropolis
clear.
and
How
home.
deep do you think we are?
Submarines are our buses and trains. They move silently between the districts, connecting millions of people in a web of efficient and fast transportation. Our children grow up with a different view of the world. For them, whales are neighbors, and the deep blue ocean is their infinite backyard. We have learned to live in harmony with the creatures of the deep. We are no longer invaders, but part of the ocean's complex ecosystem. 5 years after its completion, Oceania-One is thriving. It is a vibrant center of culture, science, and the new human experience in the deep. This is a celebration of our survival. Against all odds, we have built a civilization that is stronger and more united than ever before. Oceania-One is a jewel of the abyss. It stands as a testament to what humanity can achieve when we work together for a common goal. And we are not alone. Across the global ocean, new cities are rising, creating a network of underwater civilizations that span the entire planet. We have claimed the depths as our own. The abyss is no longer a place of fear, but a place of infinite possibility and new beginnings. Looking down from above, the Earth is still the blue marble we love. But beneath those waves, a new world is shining brighter than ever. Our planet has changed, but we have changed with it. The second green planet was never in the stars. It was always right beneath us. Oceania-One is the manifesto of our will to survive. When one door on land closed, the vast blue ocean opened a brand new journey. The future is deep, it is blue, and it is ours. Join us as we continue to explore and conquer the great frontiers of the abyss.